In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any form to your Wix website. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate forms on your site, whether you're collecting contact information, feedback, or other types of data. To get started, first, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. This is your main workspace where all the design magic happens. Once you're there, look for the option to add elements. Adding elements is akin to grabbing new tools for your toolbox. They are the building blocks for your site, allowing you to introduce new features and functionalities. After selecting Add Elements, you'll see a variety of options. You'll want to focus on the Contact and Forms section. This is a curated space where all form-related features are conveniently housed, giving you quick access to everything from simple contact forms to more complex setups. Next, you have two choices for adding a form: creating a new one from scratch, or choosing an existing template. Debate. If you decide to create a new form, this allows you to tailor it precisely to your needs, crafting each field to collect exactly what you want. On the other hand, picking an existing form can save time, especially if you find a template that closely matches your requirements. Just tweak it to your liking. Once you've chosen or created your form, it's time to edit it. Editing the form is vital, as this is where you customize the fields, labels, and any specific instructions or disclaimers you need to display. Customization ensures your form aligns with both the aesthetic and functional purposes of your website. After editing, hover over to the Settings section. Here, you'll configure how the form behaves once users interact with it. Options might include setting up confirmation messages, configuring response notifications, or determining how form submissions are stored. This behind-the-scenes work is essential for smooth operation and user satisfaction. Moving on, you'll want to explore the layout options. Layout settings dictate the form's appearance in terms of structure and spatial arrangement. This step ensures your form not only is visually appealing, but is also easy to navigate for your users. Finally, dive into the design section. Here you can unleash your creativity, playing with colors, fonts, and other design elements to ensure the form complements your website's overall theme and branding. Design choices can significantly enhance user experience, making your forms engaging and inclusive. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly add any form to your Wix website, crafting a user-friendly, functional feature that serves your audience's needs and supports your digital goals. Thank you for following along, and happy website customizing.